to take a look at unique, especially in classics. Particular model 1980 Chevrolet Camaro Z28. As you can see, T-top car, so CC1 code on the cowl tag. Speaking of cowl tag, this is an LA built car. It is a true Z28, has the 8 in the correct designation on that cowl tag. Also has a numbers matching 350 underneath the hood. Power steering, power brakes, was originally a factory AC car. That 350 is paired up with the automatic transmission, so this would have a turbo hydromatic 350 in it. As you take a look at the front fascia, has had a repaint to this. It's a beautiful kind of medium to dark blue pearl or blue metallic. Looks great on this car with the Z28 black wheels. Those nice shiny beauty rings on there. Now if you want to check out the still pictures, so you can see the interior, check out the engine bay, underside, trunk. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Is going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. See how straight this car is up and down. Those long body panels and that dark color. Paint was laid on nice. You're going to come across a few little spots where a previous owner may have needed to do just a little bit of touch up like that right there. But boy, pretty minute areas. Car does show well. One, get in it, drive it to your local shows, cruise-ins, roll-ins. Interior black vinyl buckets. This was originally a bucket seat car also. As you can see, radio is on. I had that on checking it out earlier, and it does work. Center console, shifter on the floor. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Slip around to the back, let you take a look at that. Once again, still pictures. Check them out, every angle of the car, inside and out, top to bottom. uniqueclassiccars.com. Just click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. When we start it up, you know it's got a nice sound to it. It does have new Dynamax mufflers on it. Let's take a look up and down the driver's side here. And it's kind of a bronze Z28. It's a very nice and subtle kind of a grade of bronze. A little tough to see with the reflection coming off it because the car's so shiny. When I have it on the pad, you're getting reflections off of that. So all right, let's go ahead and fire this up. I want you to be able to hear it run. I did have the wipers working, did have the radio working. Notice the tack worked. Appears all the gauges did also. There goes the gas gauge one up. This right here, brake light set. Means your parking brake pedal just wants to hang down just a tad. I have to pull it back and put a little spring on there, a little stronger. All right, so nothing major there. Take a look at the dash. That is also in nice shape. I mentioned the wipers worked, the radio did work. Turn that up. And we'll turn that off so we don't have that powered on. There we go. All right, I'm gonna warm up just a little bit. You hear it, nice sounding. Nothing crazy over the top. Nice exhaust tips coming off the back too, looks good. Alright, I'm going to pause this a second. It's going to take me both hands. Let's get this hood open. You can see it does have the air induction hood. Let's pop this hood and check out that engine bay.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
There we go, hood popped. Out the underside. Now engine bay. Alright, HEI ignition, headers, again, power steering, power brakes. This is a numbers matching block. Edelbrock, Performer, I believe it was, BPS intake, Edelbrock carb. it was originally a factory AC car. Sounds good, smooth running. They say lots of times is what you don't hear when you got the engine running underneath the hood. And of course, there'll be a picture of the cowl tag in with the still pictures, as well as the VIN. You'll be able to check that all out. So, numbers matching, 350 1980 Chevrolet Camaro Z28 CC1 code T-top car. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.